Hey everyone, in this video, let's find out how you can delete videos in Grok Imagine. In order to do so, here we are at grok.com, and what we're looking for can be found in the Imagine option here in the main menu. And then from here, you can go down to your favorites, click on that, and this is going to show you all of the different videos that you have created. So if there's a specific one that you want to delete, then you can go ahead and just click on that. And then up at the top here, you'll find these three little dots. All you have to do is click that and then click delete the video and then click delete video here in order to confirm the action. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you'll find a link to our link tree. There you will find our socials. We'd love to have you on our Discord channel. Also, check out our promotions. We've got a great promotion for Sintra. It's a fantastic business strategy tool. Click on the link there and you can get 60% off your subscription. And check out Cider. Cider is a fantastic extension that allows you to ask questions of some of the top AI chat models available so you can compare answers. And finally, check out Simply Financial. If you're looking for an online bank, you can click on the link in the link tree to get $50 to open up an account. And if you refer your friends and family, you can get $125 per referral. Can personally vouch for it. It's a great bank. It's a great deal. Check to see if it's available in your area.